Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put text on top of a shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide option and choose blank. Then we go to the insert menu and select the shape option. Now we can see here mini shape. Now I am select the oval shape, then draw the oval to this page, then write anything. Now click right button to this shape and select the edit shape option, then write anything. Now I am write some text, then select the text and go to the format menu, and we can see here many option. You want to make the text top on this shape, go to the home menu and choose the alignment center. Now we want to make the text top, select the text and go to the format menu, then select the align and select align top. Otherwise you can add the text individually. Go back again the insert menu and choose the text box option and draw a text box, then write anything, then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu and make the alignment center, then select the multiple object, click and shift and press shift on your keyboard and go to the format menu and click the alignment option and align, choose top, then again select the align option and choose middle. Now we can see we align text into shape top very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.